Hello, everyone. Let's talk about automatic 3D alignment. This was a feature added in 10.0 PSV. So this is definitely something relates to existing customers, especially for PSV 3D customers. This was in my opinion, the biggest sort of groundbreaking feature that was added. And I feel like it's not getting as much attention as it should in my mind. So just wanted to do a video specific to this particular feature. There are many features. We did a separate video for all 10.0 features as well. So check that out. But today I want to talk only about automatic 3D alignment. As anybody who has used the 3D system, when you go through the steps, setting up the scan heads, doing the 2D alignment on the three heads, doing the 3D alignment on the three heads, the 3D alignment takes the largest chunk of time of the total setup time. And it is the most critical step because that step determines how well your laser beams are overlapping on the surface and the accuracy of positioning of these beams at the predefined scan points. All the more critical if you are into some high spatial resolution applications like a strain measurement. So this is a very crucial step, and it was definitely a little more time and also accuracy dependent on how well you manually overlap the beams during the setup. So um, I want to spend some time and kind of see how powerful this 3D alignment, the automatic 3D alignment now is. Some of you may recognize this object on the left top here. This was our precisely designed sort of alignment object that shipped with the system. So that's how it was done back then. And this is now a picture of now where we just basically hit a button. Just as a recap, 3D alignment is done so that to kind of find the relative positions of the scan heads with respect to each other. And also it helps the software calculate the mirror angles required so that when you have defined your scan grid, all the three beams go to the exact same position at the same time to get the 3D information on the vibration. So this was done with the reference object before. Now it is completely automated with a click of a button. You do not have to do, I mean, some of you may remember, any kind of setup or go top and left and right, nothing. Here's the beauty of it. In some cases, you do not even have to do 2D alignment anymore. So think about the time saving, and not to mention the accuracy goes up, several folds. So the accuracy of the 3D alignment and the speed is there's just no comparison of how we used to with how we used to do it and now. So now let's go through some of the and this is the last slide. So just kind of on the right side, you'll see a video kind of going through the process. On the left side, I just have put some notes here. So this process is done automatically with a click of a button. Doesn't require a geometry scan unit. It does it without it. The object we use is a carbon fiber, lightweight plate with, and here's the beauty of, the powerful camera. Now it allows us to do pattern recognition, do some image processing. So this plate is designed precisely with super high accuracy with very well-known coordinates on it. So the system is that the camera and the software is basically reading the coordinates, defining your 3D alignment in the coordinate system of this plate. And you just hit a button and then the system kind of automatically goes through all the three scan heads and basically defines alignment points. Some of you may also remember that in the past, regardless of whether you used our alignment object or not, you always had to define a point out of plane. So either in the Z in front of the object or behind the object to give that depth. No need anymore. You don't have to do any of that anymore. And the object itself takes care of all that. Now, the initial alignment, of course, is in the coordinate system defined by this plate, this carbon fiber plate. The next step, again, very easy. You can definitely do a transformation from the plate, coordinate system to object coordinate system or any free coordinates you may remember, origin axis plane or, predefined free coordinates, all that still exists, just that the whole process of 3D alignment is kind of automated because it is using image processing, pattern recognition. The overlap of the beams is better than anything anyone can achieve. Like even if you compare our most experienced applications engineers doing it manually with someone who's using the system for the first time and doing it with this automatic 3D alignment, the automatic 3D alignment will be better. So that's the power of this whole process. So yeah, the basic system kind of starts with this, small circles, that are kind of, generated using the system, and then it gets transferred to the big one. So now definitely play around if you don't have the plate or would like to try it out, or you have the plate but haven't played with this before, reach out. This is an extremely powerful tool and will save you a lot of time and increase your accuracy by an order of magnitude. So automatic 3D alignment. Good luck, and thank you for your attention. Would love to hear from you. If you have tried it, give us some feedback how we can make it better. Thanks a lot, and until next time, see you later.